is actually take a look, see if I can find the queen mother. She's in here somewhere, but she's one bee out of about 10,000. And I don't see her, but I know she's here. So, you want to come over and hold this? I'm going to have you hold it up.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Hey. We're going to give them just a little bit of smoke. Calms them down. I want you to hold it right underneath her. Right here.
Anything special you use for the smoke?
I use burlap, pine needles, and wood chips. Just kind of anything that makes a nice, good smoke.
What's the yellow on there? Some of their
That's
legs?
pollen.
That's pollen.
Yep, they're out foraging and they're collecting pollen, and they have little baskets on their legs that they gather pollen. They bring it back in the hive, and their pollen is their source of protein. Searching for the queen. The queen bee is just a little bit bigger than the other ones, so scan up and down here. If you see one that's longer and fatter than the other ones, that's her. As soon as we get her in here, all the bees will eventually fall in here, fly in here.
Nice work. Look how docile they are now.
They do sting. I got stung on one of my fingers a minute ago, but when I get stung, it hurts for a few seconds because I get so many bee stings, it's kind of like getting allergy shots.
Okay.
If you get stung, it'll actually hurt for about 6 hours.
Yeah.
It'll swell up.
Okay.
If you do get stung, go take some allergy medicine, like Zyrtec or Benadryl, because it's histamine that causes the swelling.
Yeah, I got it.
No big waiting yet, at least. Would they be like clinging to the queen? Or should she be moving?
She should be moving on top of her. Yep. But she does have a little retinue of bees that protect her and follow her around. So sometimes you can see, because you'll see this little group of bees following her around.
See this same color?
Yep. She's just bigger, longer, and Ravelin is a little fatter. She could be a virgin queen. That would mean she's a little smaller yet because she hasn't mated yet.
Okay.
But I think this is probably a primary swarm. See how much
Can
sperm
we have some honey?
they have a little,
Can we
they
get
have
some honey out of
their stingers like a fish hook. It goes in, they get stuck in there. So now, when they sting, they leave a little mark on me, a little scent to tell the other bees to sting me right there.
Oh, really?
So I use a little smoke to camouflage that.
I think they're on 1.5.
Hold it up.
I believe so.
Still looking carefully for the queen. I don't want to hurt her. I really need her. about a third bigger. It's really hard to find. It's amazing. Sometimes total novices can spot it right away. If you're really good at pattern recognition. There you go.
Yeah, they're super aggressive. Like you could never handle them like this. You have to smash the shit out of them, and then you're just totally covered in gear.
Up, Claire.